camera. I only have to put it in the flame. That's great. Look at this.
Pretty young.
Awesome.
All good?
Yeah.
It might be one over there. Do you see the top pinnacle?
Yeah.
If you come down the ridge,
Uh-huh.
and see where the sun line is?
Yeah.
If you go maybe 50, 60...
That one right there on that face in the ground, it definitely looks like a goat.
Yeah, I would... yeah. And he's definitely a goat.
Yeah.
100%.
100% a goat?
100%. He's bedded too. He's bedded there, sitting there like a bloody...
Head left, right?
King of the mountain. Yep, that's him.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're right. Head left, legs just dangling downhill like...
Yeah.
King Dingaling.
You see him?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he's just laid out there.
Yeah. Sprawled out.
He knows he's safe there.
I don't have a pin for that distance.
You're gonna need a closer look, but from what I can see, it's definitely worth it. Whether he comes out of the bluffs is a different story. Sort of goat we want, just not in the right spot.
You figure he's a good one?
Yeah, looking at his face, I can't see his horns. Just he's got the horse-shaped face. He's being lazy, but he's not that bright white colour either.
I mean, looks like it's like straight up wall behind him.
I'll walk up there.
Oh, he could walk up that way now.
Mm-hmm. Well, he's moving, which is a positive.
Let's see, have to be
Yeah, no, he's got a broken horn.
broken horn, huh?
Yeah.
For sure you can see him now?
Yeah.
Well, I was trying to see him a while ago and I was like, he's a big old one, I bet you. I couldn't see him, I was like, I bet you he didn't have a
Yeah,
broken
he's
horn.
missing his left horn.
Huh?
Halfway down, it's broken.
Halfway down is broken?
Yeah.
Fuck.
You look at him now, front on, it's clearly... He's definitely got age on his side, but if you want one with two horns, like he'd definitely be a cool character to goat, but end of the day it's up to you.
Oh yeah. Yep, I see him now. Dang.
No pressure. It is only day 1 too.
Yeah. Just a good representative animal, you know, I mean it.
Well,
But 2 would be nice. 2 horns would be good, you know. But obviously, but
it's like you're saying, you don't leave the animal you shoot on the last day, but we can. We haven't even scratched the surface of where we've got to look at.
yeah, it's kind of what my gut feeling's telling me. Of course, as we're saying this, he's like zigzagging down back towards.
Doing what we've been waiting for him to do.
Ready or not.
Fish.
No, it's not fish.
It tastes like fish.
It doesn't taste like fish.
It tastes like fish.
I love them. Oh,
I sleep better than me. I sleep fucking terribly.
you slept terrible.
I sleep terribly.
Really?
Yep.
You slept great.
On the way.
Good morning. That's where we're at. Come down the.
If you just follow the horizon down and see where it sort of is like 2 steps,
Yeah.
go the bottom step and keep going down the horizon. You should pick them up. The last conversation we decided we've pretty much seen what we're going to see in here. We've got a 3 or 4 year old billy, it looks like, over there. Not really worth investigating at this time being, at the moment, sorry. And we've got the one horn friend up on the hill, which Dave has named Elliot. But we've decided to push on and see if we can find one with 2 horns. And if worst comes to worst, we can always come back. But he's also not in the best approachable position, so we're going to make a move up the valley, try to get his camp set up before the rain hits tonight, and glass some new country.
Sunday, Monday into Tuesday was not looking good.
Great, just great.
Yeah. So we need to really go find something quickly
We do.
when this passes.
There's only so much we can do at the moment.
Yeah.
Stay dry and warm and look after our kit.
Eat our oatmeal.
Yep. Wait for Dave to start snoring again.
Dave, did you sleep enough?
Yeah, I got good. Could put me.
We went 1,000 feet in 1 hour and divert. Man.
Yeah, I like the naps over in here. I'd probably be in there too.
Yeah. You think so? If we get up, we can get up in here and probably see most of that.
That's the plan. There's no point down it. See a goat all the way over there. Looks to be a billy goat, I can't tell from this distance. Camping high glass there. There's no guarantee he's going to be there in the morning. But if he is there in the morning, we pack up camp again and go. Do a gear drop somewhere. You see what I'm saying?
And then still have the option to come around and go check if that one's still there over there.
Yeah, I'm thinking gear camp down here somewhere. Because there's the whole, all that country there. There's that far bluff we haven't even fucking looked at. Because the only thing is, there's not much, there's all that swamp. It's all swamp.
That's what I think our time is going to drastically slow down when we get down there.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks really like a lot of water and boggy and swampy.
Yeah.
So to cross that is going to probably take us a lot longer than it looks like, I would think.
Yeah, it's not a today job. It's a tomorrow job, but it'll be a big afternoon, but we probably could shift camp tonight. Because then I suppose if we do fuck it, we can still turn around and just walk up here and blast into this, can't we?
Where you think you put camp down?
Somewhere high, but somewhere sheltered. Good, buddy?
Great, man. Living the dream.
That's what I like to hear.
Oh, Lord. That was some tired shots.
Be brave like Mel Gibson. Kind of want to get around the corner, somewhere we can see them, but somewhere sheltered, you know. Somewhere we can glass up into those other bowls. For tomorrow morning, we can make a plan. Hope to not get wet in the process.
See if we can get camp set up and get eyes back on the other one before dark.
Plan. Yep.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Go. Let's see.
I'm pretty sure that's him.
I'm pretty sure that's him too. I picked him up right away. He's to the one more. Well, so you know we were talking about earlier the V
Yeah.
with the right. Yeah. That's him. Yeah, that's definitely him. I think. Good job. Right when you said I think I got him, I was like, oh, I was on him too.
Dialed in on him.
Bit more.
He came down and got close.
The only thing with it, he's a bit more exposed now.
Yeah. Look at him just sitting there like.
Cleaning them out.
Yeah. Well, we moved up here and sent Dave around, and we spotted our target goat on the backside. Came up here, slept. We're waiting on the weather. Looks like some more rain's coming in. We'll wait till it breaks up a little bit. Try to go up and over, get some eyes on them. See if we can make a play on them today. We got this afternoon and tomorrow's getting better. Then after that, it goes kind of south again. So hopefully we can make something happen in the next day or day and a half. And we'll see what happens. But we have a goat on the other side. So that's really, really, really good news. So feeling a lot more optimistic last night when we got that update. Got a good night's sleep. Get some coffee. Ready to roll.
Deep above him. So it's good. So he can see him.
So he can see
He
him.
must be with a younger goat.
So that's the two he saw yesterday.
So it sounds like he's in a pretty similar spot we saw him last time, but he's just down lower. So do you remember, because you put this in that open bowl?
Yeah.
So what we'll do is we'll climb up here, have a look from the top here, and then we'll have to reassess. You might have to sit there and wait till he feeds around the ridge and then bolt.
Yeah.
Or he might feed towards us, or he might bed and we might sit there and freeze our asses off all day.
So he's there,
He's
but
there.
it's steep above him. He's in the screen.
Do you remember where he was bedded?
Yeah.
He's down below.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's good. At least he's there. We might have to just wait till he gets in a better
I was
position.
about to throw my phone away and get depressed. This is what the cameraman has to do to keep warm.
I have no feeling in my toes.
Thoughts, Corey?
We're gonna kill a goat today.
Looks like she's going to the gym.
Ready to go.
It's that easy. Jeez. Yeah, he's huge. He looks like he's 100 pounds more than the other one. Holy smokes. Let's figure out how to go get him. Perfect. He's trying to get a range. What it's gonna be. 4-7 into the big rock right there on the face. Yeah, what's the far rock? Above where the goats are sitting. Above where they're at. 760. Fuck.
we made a play and unsure whether they got our wind or not, but they've just disappeared over that ridge. It was going to be a bit of a, I don't know, it's just the spot they're in just didn't really favour us, but you live and you learn, I suppose. Frustrating. Bow hunting.
Bow hunting, yeah. We had the best plan possible with the situation. Didn't work out in this one, but come up with another one, try again.
Still got a few days left, so 3 days, bit of marginal weather, so tomorrow we'll see what we can do. I think we'll just get back to camp and rest up again and go again tomorrow. That's about all we can do.
What have we got there?
I found another goat. Whether it's what we're after or not, I'm not sure yet.
Better option?
Oh, you can get him from above.
Well, but that's still like moving, going up, peeking in there and ridge run, or no?
Yeah, probably. If we can find him in the morning.
That fucker's far though. Got up, spun, and set right back down. Definitely bigger in the front, got a little bit more.
He's a long way away, but he's an option that we didn't have 10 minutes ago.
That's quite a bit further than that one.
I feel like we're going to have our noodles tonight.
Definitely frosty this morning. Got real chilly. Cleared up last night. Clear sky, so got a lot colder. I didn't see this on the hunting brochure.
We just set up camp here, dry our tents out from the ice last night, so we get back tonight for a pleasant sleep, and we're going to try, much to Bethany's disgust, climb this mountain, go along the ridge and see if we can catch up with the goat we spotted this morning and last night. All going well, it'll be a late night tonight with a dead goat, hopefully.
Hope so, yeah. Hope so. Get it, bitch. Sorry. Let's get this goat. See, it doesn't work like that. You gotta be, let's fucking go.
Alright, we're going to go up there and kill this slope donkey. Come back. last night, we've got a chance. We have a chance. Probably our best chance so far. He's just over here, so we're just going to play it safe. Going to drop a bit of height, come around the shingle, come back up to try, get on top of him, and then we'll come on top. It's what, about 1,000 yards now? Yeah, probably about 1,000 yards out, yeah. Sitting on a little knob. So you'll see him. He's just on the horizon right there. Just look to the horizon, on the ridge we're on, and you'll see him. people.
Oh my god.
Lucky I...
17 days chasing these suckers. Finally got an arrow in one. Holy smokes.
I can reply to Dusty now.
Boss.
Oh, we've got a long slog tonight.
Trying to be worth it. We got a goat though, baby.
We got a
Good
goat.
job, guys. Good job. Oh my god. Dave.
Thank you for your help.